Hello and welcome to today's Atlatos presentation of the car rental search. For the beginning, we start here on the starting page of the Atlatos Profi Traveller, and with the click on the button Car Rental on top, we're joining into the car rental search. At first, we need to select our car rental company where we want to rent our car. In our case today, we go with Enterprise, and the next step will be the pickup location where we're going with Pittsburgh, USA. After you filled in your city, you will get a drop-down where you can select your stations at the airport or at the city center. For our example, we go here with the international airport. Next step will be the pickup dates and the times where you want to rent the car. In our case, will be February 22nd and returning at February 23rd. We go ahead with a click on the button Search to get to our result list. You're automatically coming in here to the Best Buy search where the cars are sorted by price. The more you scroll down, the more cars you will find. For our example, we stay here with this Nissan car and proceed the booking process with the button Book. In the car details, you will find the address of your car rental station, the phone number, and the opening hours of the stations. You also have the option to add extras to your booking. In our case, we're going here with the navigation system that we add to our booking. We have the option of car delivery and car collection. If you need to, you can fill in your addresses here. And then we go further with the button Book. Now we are in the last step of our car rental search. You have here the overview of your booking data. Again, the station informations, the price informations, the added navigation system is now added to the total price as well. Now again, the reason for our trip. Here we need to fill in, for example, a cost center and for my profile also a personal number. Then you have the customer data that are already filled in from your user profile, the credit card information for the payment of the car, and the last step is to accept the term and conditions and finish your booking with the button Yes, book with an obligation to pay. Thank you and have a nice day.